So I'm just out on my electric scooter now. We've just been out on the boat again. If you've seen my long form videos the other day, I put out a video of me on our boat, and I tell you what, it is pretty cool. We went actually very, very far this time. We ended up going into the town, but yeah, it was pretty cool. So I'm just heading off home now on my electric scooter. But yeah, I've had a really good day. I also think I've got a little bit of a tan on, which, you know, is always a good thing. It's not the best to be pale, kind of a pretty pale person, but my arms and that are pretty pink, which is good. But yeah, just gonna go home, have some dinner now, and I'll see you in a bit.